Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone are doing well. This video is going to be really interesting, guys, specifically for you because I'm going to sell three products from my Scram 440, like an accessory which I used. I put it on sale, in my WhatsApp status, but I think maybe I should bring this to the outside world so that people across India who wants it can, reach out to me through my Insta handle, which is domescut_official. And I will give you my contact number, and then we can have a discussion and do a handshake deal. So without any further ado, guys, I'll quickly show you one by one what all accessories. So the first one is going to be the one which most of you had queries when I bought Scram 440 and did the mod. How did I do it and where did I did it? So these were the questions, and the first product is none other than the visor for Scram. So this is the visor for Scram which I've been using. This is the Meteor 350 visor. So what I've done is I'm also going to give you with a free mount for the GPS. So this is a custom made mount which you can see. It is strong and sturdy. No much shirt. It's very strong and steady. So you can mount your GPS here. So it looks like Himalayan. Considering the fact that Scram 440 does not have a proper GPS mount still for putting it for this visor. So I'm giving this visor along with the visor stabilizers, which makes sure that the visor will be very strong even at high speeds. The visor does not vibrate. So that's the thing. So these are the clamps for the stabilizer, and then we have four nuts available, which will go into this one, into each of these holes, which is provided in the visor. Now I've also given an additional benefit that people who are planning to put the Himalayan 411 beak for the Scram 440, they also have an option because the number plate is on the bottom of the headlight, right? So when you put a beak, you can't put the number plate. That's a problem with Scram 440. So for that, I've done a jugaad. So the number plate can be placed here. So I've made two holes here. So you can have the number plate already should have a hole, so that you can put it on screw and put a nut behind this. I've been using that way, and not a single vibration has been there. It's been perfectly fitting, and the bike has gone a little bit higher, and it looks really amazing. So this is the first product that I'm putting for sale, guys. If anyone wants, you know what to do. DM me on Instagram, and I'll give you my contact number, and then we can have a discussion on the pricing and close the deal. The second product is again this one. I bought it in the month of February for my South India Odyssey. This is very special. It's been really amazing. Performance has been really great, and I really love the look of Scram change after installing this. I'll quickly remove this and show you. So I'm talking about the adventure mirrors. So these mirrors, actually I bought it for 2,400 rupees, but I'd like to give the price. Again, DM me in Instagram so I can give you the best price. So this comes with the complete kit. So basically this mirror can be adjusted. So if you loosen this thing, however you want, you can just adjust it. So you can place it this way, you can move it this way. While doing off-roading, you can just move the whole thing like this and keep it inside, so that even if there's a fall, the mirror does not break. And once the off-road is done, bring it back to the normal position. So you have this adapter here available, which you can turn, and this loosens up the mirror. So you can take the mirror out also if you need. So what all comes in the boxes? We get two mirrors here, like this, and then we have a couple of mounts available. I'll show you one by one what all mounts. So this is called the ball mount. Okay. So what happens is this mirror, you open this like this. So this thing gets wide enough, and then still further, and then you have to insert it like this. Voila, that's it. So this is how it looks. So this is how it's going to look. So this part will actually go inside. Now what happens is there is also an extender provided, and there is also an extender which is provided like this. So this one you have to tighten it up with this spanner, and then it gets into the mirror mount there, and then you can move it accordingly. So this can be moved like this, left, right, center. This can be moved however you want. So this is also one of the products which I'm putting it for sale, guys. If anyone is interested, do ping me in Instagram, and we will discuss the deal further. And apart from this, I have one more accessory, which is going to be the Vietara's tail bag, which is a 75 liter, fully waterproof, 100% waterproof. I have done a review of this particular bag What I'll do is I'll put the link on the top so that you can refer it. So this is brand new again, because this I bought it again in the month of, I think, February mid for my South India Odyssey. Just used only once for the ride. Intact condition, neat and clean. It comes with the rain liner. It is 75 liters. It is 90% water resistant without rain cover. With rain cover, it's 100% waterproof. So this also I'm putting it for sale, guys. Ping me in Instagram in my DM, and what I'll do is I will quickly go ahead and give you the best price what I could give you for. And yeah, let's start sharing our things what you've been using and which is good for your bike. So these products are not specific to Scram. For example, the visor is specific to Scram, what I have customized, which I'm giving it with full set. Do let me know and ping me in the Instagram, and we'll catch you there. So we'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.